More Filipino couples are preferring civil weddings over religious ceremonies in the past few years. This is according to the Civil Registration Service. Assistant National Statistician Mariza Grande told 1PH sa Totoo Lang that they noticed the shift of wedding preference from 2018 to 2022. Based on the latest data from the Philippine Statistics Authority, 43.3% of registered marriages in 2022 were contracted through civil ceremony. 32.8% were officiated in Roman Catholic Church, while the rest were done in other religious rites.
Nakikita na natin yung behavior ng ating mga kababayan towards yung marriage, which is nag-shift na siya from dati po na yung mga datos natin ay piniprefer yung religious rights, ay ngayon po ay karamihan sa mga kababayan natin ay nagpapaskal na po sa civil wedding.